Hey, this is Tom, Managing Director at ITQ in Belgium and Luxembourg. Welcome to this IT Conversations session, where we would like to talk about how we can help you boost the value of your VMware Cloud Foundation. I'm here with Thomas Bernard, Presales and Jack of all trades at ITQ. Hey Thomas, it's great to have you.
Hi Tom, it's a pleasure to be with you today.
We're going to talk about VMware Cloud Foundation today, but let us start with the start. I think there's general consensus in the industry that hyper-converged infrastructures are very interesting infrastructures that allow efficiency. Can you tell us a little bit more about ACI?
Yeah, indeed, Tom. ACI is very interesting because it combines the different elements from traditional infrastructure, compute, storage, and management into a single pane of light, into a single pane of glass, and it's 100% software driven. So it has many key advantages. First is, yes, easier management. Second, you can have better reliability, and also you have an easier way to scale as it's predictable and it's node by node, so very simple.
So there are many or several vendors out there in the market who offer ACI solutions. But VMware Cloud Foundation is not just another ACI solution, isn't it?
No, it brings ACI to the next level. Yeah. Because mainly it brings software-defined networking within it, and that allows many new use cases for the customer, and also it brings more automation. Also, there is this is doorstep for you for your hybrid cloud, because you can start automating and have a self-servicing catalog for your users, and at the end, it's future-proof because you can use it for many use cases like VMs, VDIs, but also containers.
VDMs, but also containers. That's indeed a very hot topic with a lot of customers these days. There are a lot of advantages that VCF environments bring. So let's have a look at those and maybe start with management.
Yeah, so the management is very simplified, but also the deployment. Yeah. Because it's a standardized architecture, pre-built and fully automated for the deployment. So from day zero, you can have the environment ready in a few, very quickly. Also, management will have you all the different aspects within a single pane of glass. So at the end, it will lower your operational cost.
Yeah. Lowering operational cost is something that interests a lot of customers, but not at the expense of security. And security is a very hot topic. How does VCF environment contribute to security?
So VCF is secure by design. And with the help of the software-defined networking, NSX, you can monitor the traffic east-west and have zero trust security from day one. Also, you have built-in hardening and compliance check that allows you to be and remain compliant when required. And of course, it has less components, so it reduces your footprints in terms of attacks.
Yeah. Okay. So security check. We have helped a lot of customers automate processes in their environments, from the relative simple task of creating a VM till integration with a lot of other tools. The VCF environment also is an enabler for automation.
Yeah, true. The software the VCF is a true software-driven and API-ready platform. It's a software-defined data center, and that allows you to automate everything. Also, there is a native integration with the cloud management platform from VMware, vRealize, that is for you the way to become and to have a hybrid cloud. Yep. And at the end, you will be at the start point of your DevOps strategy.
Okay, now I would like to compare VCF environment with a Formula One car. And when a driver steps in a Formula One car and he hits the pedal to the metal, you want to make sure that he can rely on the dashboards to provide him with real-time information that not only allow him to drive even faster, but also to stay out of trouble and accidents. How would this compare to a VCF?
Well, I would not be blind in front of the Formula One either. So it gives you full visibility because you have vRealize operations that is integrated with the cloud management platform. Yeah. It gives you also a lot of control because you can have dashboards, reports, you can have event-driven actions that take a predictive predictive operations in terms of in case of failure,
Yeah.
and you will have a lot of insight for cost and efficiency at the end.
All right. So we discussed a lot of advantages that the VMware Cloud Foundation environments bring. Now, I can imagine that people don't really know where to start now. What would your advice be for them?
Well, it's quite simple. You can call ITQ. We have our cloud digitalization assessment that will help you define your strategy, review the gap analysis between your current situation and the future you want to achieve, and then we can help you design and deploy your environment based on Cloud Foundation.
That sounds like a great plan, Thomas. Thank you. So you hear it, VMware Cloud Foundation is an integrated platform that allows to bring a lot of efficiency and agility. We can help you get a lot of value out of this platform and generate a lot of advantages. Think about simplified management, think about security, enhanced security, automation of a lot of processes, and last but not least, providing the dashboards that make sure that you can take the right decisions, that you can see how your environment is doing, and take the right measurements to avoid potential downtime to come. We have made short lightboard videos that zoom a little bit deeper into each of those advantages. Make sure to have a look at those also to get a better view on them. And last but not least, if you're not sure where to start, don't hesitate to contact ITQ and download our Cloud Digitalization Assessment offer, where we will have a look at what is the why you want to achieve, have a look at your existing environment, talk to a lot of people in your organization, and help build an action plan to make all this value become a reality to you. Looking forward to talking to you soon. Bye.